You guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this half cut crease mauve purple look, and this is going to be with the Bhcosmetics times Daisy palette. If you guys want to see how I created the look, then just keep on watching. First, I'm going to be priming my eyes with concealer, and I'm using the Hard Candy Camouflage concealer in the shade medium, and I'm going to be applying it with a flat brush. This is it could be any brush. I grabbed these brushes in a bundle from Amazon. So first off, I'm going to start with a shade called Naked. This is like a pinky nude shade. I'm just going to be using it to set my concealer. After that, I'm going to take Dulce and apply it as my transition color. And I'm using this big fluffy brush from Docolor Cosmetics. And I'm just going to be blending it all over my crease. So far, I've been loving this palette, you guys. It's actually really good. It was very affordable. I grabbed it when it was $19, and I'm so in love with it. Next, I'm gonna be taking passion fruit, and I'm gonna be applying it in my outer corner. First, I'm gonna be applying it in dabbing motions, just so I could make that deepen up the color. And then after that, I'm gonna be grabbing I'm gonna be grabbing a pencil brush from the same brand, Docolor Cosmetics. I'm just gonna be applying it, getting it close to my inner corner, just so I could make it more precise, if you know what I mean. Just like trying to bring it more over here to my inner corner. I know it's not gonna show right now, but I'm gonna go back again with my big fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna be applying it just softly, not too harsh. Next, I'm gonna be grabbing my pencil brush again, and I'm gonna be applying it more in my crease, just because it didn't show up, so I had to put more. And I'm gonna be blending it all together with my big fluffy brush. I'm gonna be grabbing more of that shade, and I'm gonna be applying it more on my crease. I'm using the pencil brush just because it's easier for me, so I can deepen it up. And I'm just gonna grab again my fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend it all the shades together. Next, I'm gonna be taking this flat brush. It's like an angle sort of kind of brush, but not really. I'm just gonna be cutting my crease with that. I'm gonna be getting my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. First, I like to apply a little bit and look up. I guess it didn't work out, so I just tried to do it again, but I guess it didn't work out either again. So just like that, as long as you know where your crease is at, it's fine. Just try to find your crease. If you guys want to see a video about how I cut my crease, comment it down below, and I'll try to make a video for you guys. Next, I'm gonna be taking that shade again, passion fruit, and I'm gonna be blending my concealer with that. I mean my edges. Next, I'm gonna be taking, what is it called? Lucid, and I'm gonna be applying it on my lid, just like the outer side of my lid. Next, I'm gonna be spraying some of my setting spray on this flat brush, and I'm gonna be applying Stunt on the inner corner. Moving on to lashes, I'm gonna be using these 3D Mink lashes by Jcat on the style T27. Next, I'm gonna be doing a little color correcting under my eyes just because I have bad circles, and I'm gonna be concealing also my dark spots. And after that, I'm gonna be concealing my pimple. After that, I'm gonna be grabbing blending sponge, and I'm gonna be blending the concealer. Moving on to my foundation, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Vanish stick foundation in the shade Honey, and I'm going to be applying all over my face. I like to add a little extra just so I can get a little extra coverage, and I just love this foundation. So nice, so leaves your face so smooth, so flawless. I am going to take my e.l.f. setting spray, and this setting spray is so good. I actually been trying it for the past few days, and I've been loving this setting spray. It leaves your face so hydrated, so smooth, and it actually makes your makeup last longer. I recommend it. Next, I'm gonna be taking my Age Rewind concealer in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm gonna be doing a little bit of highlight. After that, I'm gonna be taking my Airspun Translucent powder in the shade Extra Cover, and I am going to set all of my face. Next, I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush, and I'm going to be removing all of my excess powder. Moving on to bronzer, I am going to take my Morphe Hi-Fi 8H palette, and I'm going to be using my Debutant shade. This palette, I've been loving it so much. I can't stop using it. I recommend it. It has highlights, 4 highlights, and 4 bronzers. Next, I'll be taking my 9B Morphe blush palette, and I'm gonna be applying it a little bit. After that, I'm going to be grabbing my e.l.f. setting spray. Actually, if I didn't tell you guys, this is in a scent coconut, and I'm not really a big fan of coconut, but it's okay. I don't really mind because the smell goes away. Now I'm gonna be applying my Jcat Beauty highlight in the shade. I'm not sure the shade. I'll list it down below. I'm just gonna apply it in my highest points of my face using this big fluffy brush. I'm not sure how it's called, or if I remember, I'll list it down below. Next, I'm going to be applying that shade Passion Fruit under my waterline. On my waterline, and I'm going to be blending with my pencil brush. After that, I'm going to go ahead with Icy and applying it in my inner corner. And I'm just using this small pencil brush, I guess. And this pencil brush is from Sonia Cashew. I've been having it for so long already. Next, I'm gonna be applying my mascara. I'll list it down below what's the name of the mascara for you guys. Lastly, I'm going to be applying my lipstick, and this is a MAC lipstick in the shade Sexy But Sweet. It's a powder kiss lipstick, I guess. And after that, I'm just gonna be topping it off with a lip gloss, and this is from Riena Rebelde. I'll list it down below the name of the lip gloss for you guys. And after that, this is gonna be the final look. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, so every time I upload, you guys will be notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.